Hi, I'm Mandy, and today I'm going to show you how to use my favorite thing in the entire world, definitely my favorite thing in the bathroom, and that is an airbrush compressor for airbrush makeup. You can use it for things other than makeup, but that is what I use it for. I start with a completely clean and dry face, and then tie my hair back. I only do airbrush for foundation right now, and I'm using a foundation that I found on Amazon, and you're gonna need to shake this a lot, like at least 100 times. Shake it upside down and right side up. There's a metal ball on the inside that helps to stir everything around, and you will need to shake it a ton or nothing will come out. It's a little loud, so I have already pre-shaken mine. I use between 3 and 5 drops into the containing tube, and really getting the foundation out of the bottle is the hardest part of the entire process. So once you get that, it is super easy and downhill from there. There is a lid. I don't put the lid on because I only have a couple drops and I just don't need the lid. This is what the compressor looks like. Mine is really tiny because I've taken it all over the world with me. It travels everywhere, and I wanted something really tiny. It is a little bit loud, but when you turn it on, the only thing you have to do to use it is the lever at the top. You're going to push it down and then pull backwards away from your face. Pushing it down activates the air, and pulling it back releases whatever is in the container. So in my case, that would be foundation. So I'm going to hold it maybe a foot or so, 8 to 12 inches or so away from my face. And I'm going to push the lever down and pull it back away from me. So with my thumb, I'm going to push and then pull. You'll be able to tell when the foundation is coming out because it will feel it will feel a little bit wet, as if like you're walking under a very light misting system in the middle of summer. So I'm going to turn it on and show you. Okay, so I'm pulling it, pushing it down, and now I'm going to pull it back. And I don't even use the mirror when I do this, so I can feel the product. I like to go in little circles, and that's it. How to do airbrush makeup.